Can I use aluminum foil instead of parchment paper for greasing the pan?
Hello there. Today we are going to talk about a question that many of us have faced while prepping to bake a delicious recipe. Can I use aluminum foil instead of parchment paper for greasing the pan? Well, the short answer is, yes, you can. However, the story doesn't end there, so let's dive in.
What is the purpose of using parchment paper?
Firstly, we need to understand why we use parchment paper. Parchment paper is used primarily to prevent food from sticking to the baking sheet or pan. It's also handy for making cleanup easier and protecting your pans from potential damage due to sticky baked goods. Parchment paper also enables easy movement of baked goods from the pan to the cooling rack, and it can withstand high temperatures, which makes it an excellent choice for baking.
How does aluminum foil fare as a substitute?
Now that we know why we use parchment paper, let's see if aluminum foil can serve the same purpose. Aluminum foil can be used as a substitute for parchment paper, especially to prevent your food from sticking to the pan. However, there are some factors you should consider. Factor 1. Conductivity. Aluminum foil has a higher heat conductivity than parchment paper. This means it heats up faster, which can lead to uneven baking or even burning of your baked goods. Factor 2. Non-stick. While aluminum foil can prevent sticking, it's not naturally non-stick like parchment paper. Therefore, it needs to be properly greased or coated with cooking spray before you place your food on it. Factor 3. Shape. Aluminum foil can be easily molded to fit any pan shape, which can be advantageous. However, if the foil is not secured properly, it can slip and cause the batter to spread unevenly.
So, can I use aluminum foil instead?
Yes, you can use aluminum foil instead of parchment paper, but you need to be cautious. If you decide to use aluminum foil, remember to lower your oven temperature slightly to prevent burning, properly grease the foil, and secure it well to the pan. While it may not offer the same seamless experience as parchment paper, it can certainly be used as a handy substitute when you're in a pinch. In conclusion, aluminum foil can indeed be used as a substitute for parchment paper. But remember, like any substitute, it comes with its own set of precautions. Happy baking! We hope this video has been helpful in answering your baking queries.